everyone, today I would like to introduce an AI voice assistant to you. You see, this is your robot driving AI assistant. Let's see what we can do. Play music. Let's check. Volume down. This is the easy command. We can do some control. But what we can do is more than this. If you want to call somebody, you can say, "Hey Top, call Jack.
Please choose phone number.
The first.
Calling Jack.
Please call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's very easy, right? Okay. And also, we can search the local music. Play Michael Jackson, FM 97.1. You see, it's very easy. Scan forward. And what we did just now is without internet required. If you connect to the internet, we can do something more. Hey Top, play Justin Bieber.
Find some music. Please choose.
And you can say, the first, it's playing by Spotify. If you want to watch some video, you can say, "Hey Top, play Justin Bieber on YouTube. Watch news, videos of technology."
10 trillion in trade.
Okay. Close YouTube. If you want to go to gas station, you can say, "Hey Top, find me the nearest gas station."
Find 20 results. Please select a destination.
The second.
Head north. Then turn left.
Yeah, it's very easy and convenient and safety.